Kind of figured I'd bring you back here. Kind of some redundant work that I didn't want to videotape, but I flipped the table over after I got it welded up. There's still a couple of welds left to do. What I've done is went out and got some wheels. Now, I wanted 8-inch wheels like are on the bottom of the Ganter crane, but all that they had was 6-inch wheels, so I'm gonna have to go with them. The center, or the one bolt, the way the hole spacing lays out in the wheels, the one bolt ends up inside of the tube. So what I did is I drilled and tapped the 4 bolts in the centers of the 4 legs, which end up inside of the tube, and then I space the wheels out from that. So what I'm doing right now is just drilling the last 3 holes in the last leg that I've got. I've already done the other ones. So I'm going to do that, and I kind of figured I'd show you the one that I'm doing. But after I get that done, I'm going to probably cut off some of the excess plates on the bottom of it. Now, I am going to build a shelf, and probably I'm going to run tube steel between the two, so I'm going to leave the plate in place where the tube steel goes back and forth, but I'm going to try and trim it up, make it look a little better. Kind of looks funky with those pre-existing holes in the plates. Not that it matters, but just kind of figured I'd clean it up a little bit, maybe round off the corners some, and so I didn't leave any sharp edges to catch your ankle into if you kind of walked into it. But anyways, that's where we are.
put wheels on this too?
Yeah, I'm putting wheels on it. I wanted the 8-inch wheels that I got on this thing, and they didn't have them. All they had was 2, so I ended up getting 6-inch wheels.
They couldn't have ordered them for you?
Well,
I don't care. This is the best day ever.
why'd you ask?
Pardon me?
I have to find. My granddaughter. So she came and looked with us and she went to college.
How old is she?
She was 21 or 20 then?
20. Got a little interrupted there, but I'll bring it back. Let me figure out what I'm going to do about cutting the corners off, the radiuses off, and I'll bring you back. So what I came up with for cutting off the, cutting a circle on that, I just found a can that's got about the same diameter as the width of these plates. Put it on there and just draw a little circle, and I'll cut it off with a cutting torch. I think that cutting got a little hot. I don't know whether you can see the red on the back of my hand there. It's kind of funny. So all I'm doing is bolting these wheels on. I've got fixed wheels on the one end, swivel wheels on the other end. Again, not really the wheels that I wanted, but they didn't have 4 of the 8-inch wheels. So just using the 6-inch wheels. Bring it back when I got it flipped over. Okay, so here it is with the casters on it. What I've got to do now is, before I go out and get the top and stuff, I've bought some 2-inch tube steel. I'm going to put kickers across between the legs, both ways, lengthwise and crosswise, and one in the middle with a 2-inch tube steel, and I'm going to put steel down there to make the shelf. So I got it as far as that right now, but the casters are on. Floor is uneven, but it's good. It's good. I mean, the floor pitches down, so it looks like the table is slanting down, which it actually is, but it's because of the floor. But anyways, I'll bring you back when I start putting on the 2-inch tube steel.